What's going on, guys? It's JC Tech and Finance here. As you know, this channel has focused on the audio-visual aspect of technology, but I recently had the opportunity to review one of the best projectors out there, the JMGO N1S Ultimate Triple Laser 4K projector. We're going to talk about the great features of this projector right after this. Welcome back. So, first of all, thanks to the team at JMGO for sponsoring this video. They provided this projector to me for review. They did not ask me to say anything good or bad about it, but gave me the freedom to kick the tires and decide for myself how good it is. And golly gee, I've reviewed TVs before, and I reviewed a 1080 projector before, but this thing is pretty special. This is the world's first 4K triple laser projector with Google TV. With up to 3500 ANSI lumens of brightness, the picture looks crazy good in bright rooms and absolutely stunning in dark rooms. A lot of projectors sacrifice the contrast ratio in pursuit of brightness, or sacrifice brightness in pursuit of the contrast ratio. This projector helps solve this issue thanks to JMGO's patented microstructure adaptive laser control, triple color laser optics technology that allows for higher brightness, color, and overall efficiency without compromising on any parameters. So, in particular, this projector has a 110% BT 2020 wide color gamut. It has 1600:1 contrast ratio and up to 1.07 billion colors with 10-bit color depth, while reducing laser speckle caused by beam interference by up to 96%. But before I continue, let me know down in the comments below, what's the first movie you'd love to watch on this big screen projector? For me, it's definitely Deadpool and Wolverine. Now, after I got my first projector, I realized pretty quickly that if I wanted the picture to be just right on the wall, I needed to buy a tripod in order to properly adjust it. The JMGO N1S projector eliminates this thanks to the included gimbal with stepless rotation adjustment that allows for 360 degrees horizontal movement and 135 degrees vertical movement. Best of all, because it's stepless, it can be adjusted with one hand. Also, it comes with a gimbal-like display correction based on a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, a time-of-flight system, and a proprietary algorithm. This allows it to seamlessly execute almost instantaneous attitude-fitting trapezoidal correction and autofocus, making the image appear correctly placed within seconds when the projector is switched on. This means you can project it absolutely anywhere, including on your ceiling, and it will automatically adjust, straighten, and focus. You can also set it at an angle if you don't have a lot of space. Other video-related features include the fact that it emits zero harmful blue light, and it comes with smart eye protection that automatically reduces the brightness of the light source to protect people's and pets' eyes. So because it has a gimbal, as well as it comes with a case, you can easily carry it to a different space like your bedroom or living room, or even take it outside. In terms of software, it comes with Google TV. What does that mean? It has a built-in Netflix app that allows for 4K broadcasts that can cast and wake up with one click on the remote control. Anyone who has had a projector from 2 or 3 years ago knows the pain of having Netflix not being immediately available and having to use all sorts of workarounds in order to get it to work. Besides Netflix, it comes with your usual favorite streaming apps such as Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, and Max, as well as others. Now, the benefit of Google TV goes beyond just the included Netflix app and the streaming apps. The Google TV operating system emphasizes global search and global immersion. You don't need to jump between the different apps. Everything is in one place. You can browse movies, episodes of live TV, and more from, of course, your favorite apps within the Google TV interface. The Google Play Store also has over 10,000 plus other apps that you can download. It also has a built-in Google Assistant AI, which allows you to control the projector with your voice if your hands are busy and you don't want to use the remote. Additionally, it has a built-in Chromecast support, so you can stream from both Android and iOS devices. Sound-wise, this projector also comes with a powerful sound system with two 10-watt speakers that boast 45 Hz extreme low frequency bass and is certified for Dolby Audio and DTS. This projector has many different connectivity options, including two HDMI 2.1 ports, one of which supports EAC, that allows you to connect various gaming consoles, streaming sticks, and dedicated sound systems. It has one USB-A 2.0 port, one 3.5mm headphone jack, and one DC port for a power supply. Game-wise, this projector also does a good job of projecting video games with a decent refresh rate of about 16 milliseconds or less. There's just something about gaming on a large screen that just makes it so immersive. Finally, one perk that comes with this projector that really stands out for me is an ambient mode that helps transform your home with an idle projector and brings natural scenes to life. This is useful particularly if you're like me and you live in an urban house that does not have a lot of windows. Now, the projector's MSRP price is $2,799, but you can check their website or Amazon's website for any discounts or coupons. So guys, in closing, if you're looking for a projector that does an incredible job during the day and an excellent job at night, then this projector is for you. Anyways, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts about this projector below. Also, let me know if there's any feature in particular you would like me to talk more about. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing off.